Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video, my dad gave this phone to me.
Hi.
I'm calling my parents again. Hey, don't. My eyes up. Get out. Hey, this is my video. I got ice. What? Is my
What are you
ice
doing with
broken?
the eyes?
Huh?
What are you gonna do
Huh?
with the eyes?
I got a Melody phone case. Well, I'm gonna get my phone case out. My phone.
Hi,
Hey,
sister.
it's the cameraman again. Hey, I'm not even showing you it. Hey, you're a camera shy.
Your sister is shy.
You don't like a smile, right? Hi! Wag mo ako ipakita sa video mo! Ma!
Hindi ko kasali, si Hana lang.
Yeah! It's my icy. Ilang ko dito!
Huwag ka dyan, huwag ka dyan, huwag ka dyan. Baka may cockroach dyan.
Ipis ng dyan.
Lolo mo, cockroach.
I'll make pancakes tomorrow!
Ilang minutes yung video mo?
Oh, sorry.
Kasama ba kami dyan sa video mo?
Yeah? Pakilala mo sila, mami, pati sila daddy. My mom is named Dinah. Well, I call her Darna. And my dad is Daddy Dave. That's why my account is Dave Ronda.
That's why. Very good
Hindi mo yung account ni Daddy?
Tapos na, tapos na.
No.
Tapos na?
Okay, sige na. Kasali, si Hana lang.
Ano lang?
Ayan ang tingnan mo. Babay, papakita ko sa'yo. Sige Hana, game na.
I'm in my hair tie. I have my clip. Oh, yan, sumabog. That is so funny. Bro, I didn't deserve it. Bro. Who is
So
Sabig? Lolo mo. Not again. Lolo mo, si Sabog. I'll take this for a fridge a minute. Goodbye, Mommy, Daddy. So, we're gonna open the freezer, and then we're gonna put my ice in there, and then we're gonna close it. Goodbye. Hi,
Ibang vlog.
I'm back, Mommy, Daddy.
Oh, you're back.
Why does Mommy don't even show up? Mom, are you shy?
What? No.
You're already sleepy.
I'm so sleepy, love, because I woke up early.
Then you want to be on the video. Hey! The ice. Ah!
Naiwan mo siya, Tay.
That is so funny. You just broken my camera. You just broke my camera. Pag broken na yung camera mo, hindi na gumagana. Ba't gumagana pa rin? It's the ice. It's so clear. Bubog yan. Why did you just ate the ice?
Wala, galing sa sahig nun, tiya.
Ay.
Kinain ni ate?
Yeah? Galing ba sa sahig yun? Ano ba yan?
Oo, Mamumugkat eh.
She just ate another ice.
Magmumugkat eh. Magmumug.
Ah! Not again! This thing!
Huwag na paglaruan yung ice kasi ano sa sahig. Magpuputik-putik.
Magmumugkat eh. Tapos na yung video mo ha. Ang haba na yan.
Yeah. Anyways, that's not my video. Bye guys.